Welcome to my channel. Hikvision camera installation. Select optimal spots with a clear view, good lighting, and nearby power outlets. Use screws and brackets provided to securely attach the camera to the wall or ceiling. Route Ethernet or coaxial cables from the camera to the DVR/NVR or router, ensuring neat and protected placement. Plug the camera into a power outlet using the supplied adapter. For wired setups, connect the camera's cable to the DVR/NVR or directly to the router for PoE, Power over Ethernet, setups. Install Hikvision's IVMS 4200 software on your PC or HikConnect app on mobile devices. Access the camera through the software/app, set up motion detection, image quality, recording schedules, etc. Check the live feed, adjust angles, and ensure proper focus. Update the camera's firmware, set strong passwords, and enable encryption for security. Thank you for watching.